Hello, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. And today I'm going to be trying Evie's Patty Gel. And I did buy this with my own money. And as far as the spatula, as far as the polygel, I did not purchase that on her website because it does come separate. So I only purchased the actual kit. And it comes with 3 colors. One of the colors that I'm showing you right here, which is the pink one, that is called So Cute. And then the second one would be the clear one, and it's so pretty. I like the glitters in it. It's called So Sweet. Not So Sweet. Sweet Life. And then the last one, which is the purple one, is called Amethyst, and I like that one too. So what I'm doing right here, I'm just doing like the minimal of prepping my nails, because I'm not going to keep these nails on. It's just for video purposes. So I'm just pushing back my cuticles, just briefly, not really getting in there like that. And then after that, I'm just gonna use one of my cuticle bits just to get some of that dead skin from around there, and I'm doing it really lightly, and just getting the basic overly skin part of the cuticles, so that it will at least look good once I put my nails on. And then after that, I'm just going to lightly use my fining grit and just barely touching it. Like, I probably didn't get all of the shine off of my nails, but I just wanted to get a little bit of it up there, so it'll just look really clean and crisp by the time I finish my nails. But usually what I do after that, I put cuticle oil on my nails, and then I put top coat on it and cure it, and then that way it'll just pop off once I'm done. So what I'm doing right here, the glue for some reason it doesn't stick to my nail plate, probably because it's so dry. And what I do as far as gluing them up there, I just take some base coat, and I use the little light I have available, and I glue it up there, put it on there, cure it, and it sticks. And after that, what I'm doing here, I decided to go with stiletto shape, kind of like a skinny stiletto, a little skinnier than I would like for it to be. And right here, I'm just shaping it up to stiletto. So I decided to use the clear glitter, the Sweet Life, and I thought that was actually my favorite, because I like the clear look of the nail, especially on a stiletto. So I just put the tube and just squirt it all throughout the nail, and I'm working around my cuticles, making sure it doesn't touch my skin. And then I'm just patting it, because what I do like is her consistency of the polygel, and it's easier to work with. It's not runny. I like it a little bit on the stiff side, and I'm not surprised that she decided to go that route, because she likes it that way too. So I was expecting it to be a little stiff, and I'm so glad that she decided to do that. And you could just see me how I work the polygel, and sometimes I had the tendency to drag it, but I'm learning more and more it's better to just pat it in the right place. So right here, I'm adding that second layer just to the cuticle to build my apex. So, first of all, it looks better. And then second of all, it you know, builds the strength of the nail so it won't break so easily. And to the next nail, I'm pretty much doing the same thing for all of the nails. So basically what I said about the thumb will apply to the rest of the nails because I'm just going to be using that color for this video. So after I'm done applying the polygel, I'm going to be taking the isopropyl alcohol and just wiping it off, getting the tacky layer off of it so it won't be so sticky. And after that, of course, I'm going to be doing my filing and shaping and buffing after I get the shape that I want. And after I'm done, of course, I'm going to wipe my nails off. And what I'm going to be doing is adding little rhinestones to it. I wasn't sure exactly how I was going to do it. I just kept thinking one way and then changing my mind, and I just went with the flow. And what I'm actually doing, I'm not adding rhinestone glue only because I won't be keeping these nails on long. But if you want it to last, you do want to add on some type of rhinestone glue or anything, something that'll hold it longer so it won't break off or fall off. So yeah, I'm just coming up with random designs for the rhinestones. Then after that, of course, I'm going to be adding my cuticle oil. And I really love the nails, how they turned out. And I really like her patty gel. I love Long Hair Pretty Nails patty gel, and I would recommend for a person that's trying to learn how to do polygel to purchase on her website. And I will be posting that in my link, in my the link in the description. I am so sorry, it's been a while since I recorded. But thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to the video, because I will be posting more often. And I may even do another review on her new polygel kit.